All right, in this video, we're going to show you how to fix if your Roblox is crashing the moment you open it. All right, so to do this, let's open Roblox. Of course, we don't have this issue, but just in case this, like if you're doing this, if you're installing Roblox, this is pretty much what it says. Installing, I don't know why, and it doesn't, it doesn't open. It crashes. So what are the fixes? Let's open this first. Right. So as you can see, we can open Roblox. So how do you fix this? What you need to do is press Windows R. So the Windows key on your keyboard and R, it's going to open the run window here. As you can see here, we're going to put % local app data % / Roblox. Right. You can see that, right? Okay. So after that, click OK. You're going to be brought to the Roblox folder here on Windows. And what you need to do, let's close this first. What you need to do, kind of stupid, but it works. Delete everything. Delete everything. Let's wait for it to delete. There you go. It's clean. Let's close that. Let's open Roblox again. And as you can see, you can open Roblox because you've deleted Roblox. All you need to do is, again, you need to install Roblox again, and it should work. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.